Ano kamo kubiro. Biwi kon.
One called Mr. One called Owadwa, former mayor, Owadwa Binge. Bende wangoka. Kamara uruma intie, feel at home, bimanyo wechi. Eduoka maintie, mangyo ni Pastor Silas Ojuok will take it wherever you are. I would urge ni ibed kod kwe kendo ipoko puonji town ng'eng'ama ni bati.
While you are doing recognition, I would like to inform the gathering.
Erokamano. Now,
King'eyo ni nokeo dala ka be.
Because the service to the county of the bell. Miel moro miela to sa miel poko donyo no wae. Donge wakwer urumano koso kwa kwer.
Sharon is handled properly. And will resolve the plan. I don't think the leaders this thing are going to do.
King'eyo ni nokeo dala ka be.
Ngas majido mano romo kum.
Erokamano. Now,
King'eyo ni nokeo dala ka be.
KTN, the radio sunset, Ginyakalo, Domoanti, Richo Kabe. Domogona Neno Getonya. We are going to use the two languages.
The first female student leader in Kenya.
Erokamano. So kata ka nitimo to uneno shida modong ka, tafadhali wakele uru marwa.
Sharon from 3rd day of September when my girl was kidnapped. I'm seriously mourned her. And especially when I looked at some of the suspects in court, always falling to tears. Tears do roll down my cheeks. I'm not worried to say that. And let me be the next victim after Sharon. Let anybody murder me because Sharon was murdered. I'm going that. Next to that.
And we as Sharon's aunts, we also want to say, indeed, it is a very, very sudden death. But to my sister Melida, I want to really encourage you by telling you that the Lord is there to fight for you. Even if man cannot fight for you, the Lord is there and the Lord is going to fight for you. My sister Melida, may you trust upon the Lord at all times. As justice is being, as we seek for justice, as has been said, remember, the best judge is God. Put God first. From today henceforth, you are going to live without Sharon, but the Lord is going to live with you forever. The Lord is going to take care of you. The Lord is going to keep you.
Justice Justice for Sharon Belin Otieno and Betty Machaka.
Justice will be served. To my mother, Mama Sharon, I want to deeply condole with you. I am like your daughter and ni uchungu sana.
And we are still reiterating that injustice to one comrade is injustice to all comrades. And we are asking...
We want the 3 people who tortured, raped, and murdered Sharon Belin Otieno to be brought to book. And what we are saying is that we know nationally...
We will walk this journey together with the family of Sharon till justice is found. I want to really thank the DPP. I want to really thank the DCI. What now remains is we want to get into to the end. This is the first time that we want no stone left unturned. And we are all waiting. Kaluma will join you in watching brief to make sure that there is justice for Sharon. So that the people who think that they can be killing people with impunity, let them know this is a thing of the past. And I want to thank the DPP and the government.